Hey guys, Vic here. In this video, I'm going to go over the affiliate link features. So basically, the affiliate link is a standard affiliate feature where the affiliates share their link with customers, and if customers use that link to place an order, we track that back to the affiliate or the rep and give the or assign the correct commission. We also have a couple of advanced plan features here, which I'll go over. So this is the contact card and auto tag. So basically, once the affiliate link is turned on, you'll see that the reps see the affiliate link uh, once they log in on the rep page. Once you have the contact card and you let the reps create the unique links, the reps can basically change their link. They can add a message here. So for example, for my test rep, I've added my name, I've added a profile picture, and I've shared, I've put my message. So now, whenever someone, whenever I share this link and someone uses it, you'll see that my contact card appears on the front end here. And then, this is especially useful when you're dealing with wholesalers, rep agencies. Customers can contact the reps and make sure like everything is correct. The next thing I want to go over in this is auto tagging. So this is where basically if I share my link with a customer and they place an order, that customer will automatically get tagged to me. And then I'll see that rep in my customers. And so the whole tagging gets done automatically. The final thing I want to tell over here is the number of days the affiliate link will be valid. So say for example, I set this to 10. This means if I share my affiliate link with a customer, they click on it, they land on the store, but they don't place an order. In this particular case, if the customer comes back to the store without my link, so they've already used my link, come to the store, and now after 3 or 4 days they come back to the store, we will still track this as an affiliate sale because the affiliate is the one who originally bought that customer to your store. Yeah, so that's the affiliate link feature. In a separate video, I'll go over the share card feature. Thanks.